Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Callie here. So as you can see, I did my hair. I did it last night actually. It only took me 3 hours. I'm very surprised by that. But the only way that I know that I like my hair is when I do my makeup. And I just finished it off, which is what you're going to see in this video. And I love it. I love it. I love it. It's eating, it's giving. Lighter hair is definitely me. Is definitely for me. So stay tuned to the video and be sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate you.